emergency for Fairmedows. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:01 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for northwest San Angora counties. At 4:51 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Fairmedows, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Fairmedows. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Fairmedows. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.